If you can't tell, we're getting ready to go visit Levil Aviation in Oviedo, Florida, up by Orlando. So give us some fun cruise time in the beautiful hot rod behind me, and then meet up with Levil. Haven't seen everybody since Oshkosh, so it'll be awesome to catch up and check out their facility. It's a beautiful company. I absolutely love all their products. They're so innovative and creative, definitely, with things that they come up with. It's pretty phenomenal. They're family run, family owned. It's just a real cool chemistry. I'm very, very happy to be part of it. So pretty excited. Keep it watching, and we'll give you a little tour once we get up there. Here we are, Levil Aviation. What's up? Hey! Same thing, dude. I know, right? It's Levil Day.
But you guys didn't get the, or you did get the memo, I guess.
What?
About the matching outfit.
Oh, of course.
Oh. Well, Sean's apparently showing us his black shirt.
Spring break.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
It's awesome seeing you guys.
I'm camera person.
Let me see under the camera. How are you? Good, are you?
No, you're good. Yeah.
Now we can come this way. So, this is Andres.
Hi, Andres.
Okay. Do you want to show them the machine? So this is it's called a 5-axis mill machine. So Andres built and designed this. Do you want to make it do something
Really?
cool?
The only thing cool I can make it do right now is this.
Make it do something cool. That's awesome. Wow.
That's about it.
So kind of the cool thing is when we say, this is Sean's. I was going to get him coffee, but you know, we're just going to do it this way. When we say that we make all of our instruments, we literally mean that we make the machines that we make our instruments on.
Oh, wow.
So here is our manufacturing for the machines that I'll take you down here.
So you made all the machines to make the machines?
Well, we have some machines that we didn't make, but we make a lot of our parts on our machines as well.
So we got to put the thing with Star Wars. Machines making machines.
Yeah.
Machines making machines.
Robots too. But this is Carlos.
Hi, Carlos. It's a pleasure. Nice to meet you.
There's another Carlos over here.
Hi, Carlos. Nice to meet you. So if I don't know your name, I'll just say Carlos.
Carlos.
It's like Larry.
So these are some more of the machines that, again, that we've made, that we are making our instruments on. So here you can see some of like the covers for the instruments. Let me see what they're working on over here.
Look how beautiful that is. This stuff's like art. Look at that. Wow.
So here, like for example, the bomb nose pieces are made on the lathe.
Wow, that's so light.
The bodies over here.
Okay.
Kind of a more complicated part that we do on our mill turn is the nose. So
that's where the sensors are, right?
Well, this is where all the tubes will come in to get like the angle of attack. Let's see. Oh, this little guy, it's a pressure sensor cover. So this is what helps us to get the accurate pressure readings.
You guys make these.
Yeah, we make everything. Like, I kid you not. We make, and I'll even show you, we make the boards and everything
Pressure sensor
here too.
That's the pressure sensor in the bottom.
Wow. We even make the little, this one's kind of scratched up because these are just sample parts for them, but it's the covers for the bomb that go on the sides. This is like the housing that holds the nose, and this is where all the tubes will go. So you can see here, so we've got bomb nose, but yeah, you can just toss everything in there. This is kind of a cool part too. It's a bracket that goes inside that sits on the board for the bomb, and this is what actually holds the body of the bomb to the board and keeps everything inside. That's one of the reasons why it's kind of seamless on the outside, because everything's being held together with the bracket.
Okay.
So just lots of cool little parts, just a few examples of things that we make here.
Wow.
And like I said, most people don't know that we actually make the machines too that make the parts.
That's great. That's crazy.
So when we say we can do a lot of quality assurance, it's because we have a lot of control here of what's being made.
So when you needed a machine to make a specific project, how long did it take you to make the machine?
So the good thing is, like, we made the machines already, so it's just a matter of programming the machines to make the parts that we want.
Okay.
So yeah, this machine is kind of cool because it's a mill and a lathe put together. So it does like 5-axis machining.
Okay.
So this one's kind of like a unique creation. And it's funny because I always say our machines here aren't always the prettiest because these are our prototypes, our R&D machines. So they're a lot of like Frankenstein machines, but they do a really great job.
If it gets a job done, man, come to my hangar.
Yeah, exactly.
See pin wrenches and all sorts of stuff just to put a prop on.
So yeah, so here everything comes in, all the raw material, we make all the parts. They come out over here. And then I know this isn't aviation related, but this is one of our education machines.
Oh, okay.
And it's a mill and a 3D printer combo. So you can put a 3D printer head attachment on here and it turns this machine into a 3D printer.
Interesting.
And it actually prints metal as well. And then you can sinter the metal, it'll harden, and you'll have an actual like toughened metal part. So it's kind of interesting for R&D, for schools to learn additive and subtractive manufacturing.
Wow. Okay, so there you go. You're getting into STEM stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Somebody we need to talk to about our STEM projects.
There
we
you
want to
go.
start a STEM program, and that'll be great. That would be a good part with Level. Yeah.
We can show you some of the sample parts in Ricardo's office.
Okay.
So you guys can check that out. So if we keep going this. Oh, the beautiful, the fabulous.
Welcome.
I like warm hugs.
We're video blogging.
Video vlogging.
We are.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's the
Universal
man.
technology.
oh, man with no coffee.
You guys can come. Well, we can take you guys this way. This is the amazing aviation team.
Right.
All hard
My
at
peoples.
work, making lots of instruments. This is Maureen, our production manager.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I'm gonna give them a little picture to when we say we make everything. So we literally start with getting boards, we paste the boards, then we have our pick and place machine over here. This is the machine that places all of the components onto the boards.
Wow.
Here. So again, we are placing, we have lots of hands-on, we can make sure that the quality is being checked, lots of control over what's coming out. Once the boards come out, can I show them that board? Just so they can see a populated board.
So that, okay. Wow.
Once the boards come out, they get baked in the oven so that all the parts stay on. So you can see we've got boards here, and they get programmed.
Mine got super baked, right?
Oh, yours got glued, baked, twisted. That thing's not budging.
You got that right.
Once the boards go through their programming, then they go through lots of testing. We heat them up, we freeze them down, we want to make sure that they're good for all sorts of temperatures. We calibrate the gyros, the accelerometers, the magnetometers. We call this guy the time machine.
Yeah.
Because we feel like it looks like a time machine.
Contact, yeah.
But what this does is this allows us to set a true north to all of our instruments. It offsets the Earth's magnetic, I guess, fields, and then allows us to really set the compasses for us. So that's kind of cool. So that's what Ian is doing over there. And then everything goes through quality checks, final assembly, and then it gets packed up and shipped out the door to you guys.
Interesting.
You can see Maria over here is testing some of our instruments as well. Everything goes through vibration testing, like we said, temperature testing, calibration. The record is that we use the same technology in our experimental instruments as we do in certified instruments that we make. So you're getting the same quality AHRS, the same quality assurance, the same checks, everything that we do, because we're going to do it anyway, right? So we might as well do it for all of our instruments. So you're getting the same quality, the same checks as everything. Just because it's experimental doesn't mean you're getting any less of a good quality, quality product.
Right.
So.
That's good.
So, yeah.
That's the way to do
you can see here are some of the turbines.
Oh, yeah.
And
So that's the turbine on the
bomb.
propeller.
This is what generates all the power.
Yeah, right. That's awesome.
Good morning.
Morning.
El Jefe.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
I am not reporting for the rest of the week in that case.
Hi.
How are you? Good.
Oh man, this is awesome. Shameless.
Are you guys having fun?
Look, Ricardo made me do all of his job for him. He took a call, so I would have to give the tour. So I'd have to
This
show
guy and I have been
up.
playing tag for like a week on the phone. You wonder how a bomb is made? Let's go.
All right. There we go. Now we got it.
You got it?
You got it.
Solder on the board right now.
Okay.
We have our stencil set up so we can put multiple boards on here. Get some pressure and go over it. And should be good to go.
We place the board here, and we get the machine. We put all the components into the board. Once all the components are in, it goes through the. Look at that. Then we bring the board here for a calibration. I don't have the things in here, but James, can you show him real quick how you put that bomb together like this, baby?
Oh yeah. So yeah, after we assembled the bomb fully, we just have the outer coating basically. So first is the main body. It has the serial number right there, as well as the Wi-Fi antennas right here. It connects on the outside and goes to the Wi-Fi chip at the end. You have to squeeze some of the P-top tubing out of the way to make sure it all gets fit in there nicely. Pretty good. Then next is the nose. Fits in super nicely. And then last is the turbine, which goes right into this connector right here.
Oh yeah. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, it was really fun.
Yep, and then you just put all the screws in, and it's all good.
Awesome. I like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That'll work.
That works.
There you go.
All right.